what's up? New video. No, of course that was not the portable speaker that I'm taking apart today for funsies because I got a different one for the collection. Just thought I would do that because eventually I want to make a video on these, on my 212s. Now, instead of my desk, we got on top of the 212s. We're gonna be taking apart the video. I'm an idiot. We're gonna take apart the speaker that's over there, and because I got a different one to replace it, because yeah, why not? I told my mom because I was gonna take that apart, but I like the matte black on it. So instead we're taking apart this one instead of the other one. And all I did was move my footstool over, so really the camera angle is nothing to be proud about. I'm gonna try and pry into it with a flat head. Even that's probably not gonna work. I've seen plenty of videos. I'm pretty sure there's gonna be something under here. Hold on. I was right. There is something under there. Oh god, oh god. There. Probably can't see where I put it. I stuck it to the speaker next to me, and oh, that's gonna be one hell of a time trying to find, never mind. Hopefully this works. Hope you guys enjoyed the 10 subscriber special, by the way. I'm happy I gained one more after that. And, so yeah. Eventually we will blow this, too. Eventually. It's been just kind of sitting on myself for a while, so... Okay, so I got the screws undone. They're like right there. Okay, now I need to figure out how this even comes apart. There's the speaker is like right there. Okay. Okay, that's how it wants to be, huh? I figured it out. All you have to do is just like push up on this. I almost ripped the whole thing apart over it. Yeah, there's the battery. Okay, that was simple enough. Do I have any wire clippers? Great, I don't. I'll have to use a knife. Okay, if this knife doesn't cut it, then I don't know what won't. Or what will. Try not to cut my finger. Ah! Okay, well, apparently it didn't like that very well. Sorry if I'm just kind of, like, going at a stupid pace. Because I'm a little hyperactive today. And, okay, so there's more screws we have to take out from there. So we got this little, like, battery. I really don't know what all that means, but look how small the freaking motherboard is. Like, it's small. I don't think I've actually ever seen... I mean, this will make another great portable speaker. Like, this thing was totally fine until this happened. And I mean, until I happened to it. So let me get the screws undone. Okay, hopefully this thing comes right out of there. Okay, drop the screwdriver. One of the screws came out. Don't know about the other couple. the other couple of fucks. Like, okay. I think this thing's glued in there. Let me try and get it open. Okay, I wish I would have got that on camera, but, okay, so the bottom of it is glued, so I couldn't get that. I had to use a knife. I popped this off and it, like, shot all over and ended up back there. Kinda wish I would have got that on camera. See, I kinda, oh my god. I mean, that kinda looks cool, the speaker. If I have time in the video, is what I'll do is I'll hook it to my radio and we'll just get to see it, 'cause hope I didn't damage it, actually. I don't think I did. But, 'cause I was like that, and I ended up ripping the voice coil. Not the voice coil, the voice. Not the voice. The dust cap, okay? Whatever the hell is supposed to be on there, it died just like that. Death by knife. Death by speaker. You know what? That was a very awkward, little pause. See, like, this won't even come out. So, I was forced to do that. Honestly, I don't actually mind this. It's got, like, some good, like, flex to it and stuff. It's got, like, some good little movement. Too bad I have to destroy the movement so that it never moves again. Just like my dreams when they fell in the hole. Okay, hold on. Okay, I got it. It should just pop right out. It should just pop right out. Okay. There's obviously something that's not right. I think I know what it is. Really? Why is this thing giving me a hard time about everything? Okay. I don't... Oh, okay. Okay. Can I just simply... I used a voice coil. Oh, you know what? I am going... Oh my god. What the hell? How do you even get this out? It's like the little terminals are getting in the way. How retarded is this thing? Oh. I will get this out one way or another. If I have to smash this thing to little freaking bits. What is this? I got it. There's a little passive radiator thing on the bottom. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's just chilling there. Hey, this thing ain't that bad. I mean, 3 watts is actually kind of bad, but this thing ain't that bad. That's cool. Tell you one thing that ain't cool is this freaking thing. There's a little passive radiator that was just sitting there doing absolutely nothing. Ooh. Oh, no way. Oh, no way. Aw, fuck? Okay, besides that something fell back there, I had a little passive radiator. Ah, that's sick. I can, like, glue it on a portable speaker and have a little passive radiator. Dope. Thing's cool. Awesome. Except how am I gonna get the screwdriver out of there now? Oh. You know what? I'm about to do a big brain move. Until I drop this one. Oh my god. Until I got it. I told you it was a big brain move. Okay, so I think I'll... You know what? You know what? Screw it. We have enough time. I've only been recording for like 11 minutes and something. So, yeah. And no, by the way, I didn't just get this. I actually just got that. And I'll show you the little speaker that goes to the black one. It's this. A little 6-watt speaker. So, hold on. Okay, okay, so now I'm going to turn these off and turn on these. They're already on. Awesome. Okay. Now we need to find positive. Okay, that's retarded. It don't even show a positive on there. But you know what? I'm positively going to freaking annihilate this. Okay, there. I got it all wired up. Ready to blow. Actually, hold on. This thing ain't that bad, actually. You know what? We're gonna play some Hertz through it. I wonder if it even got warm. Oh my god, it did a little bit. I wasn't even getting on the volume. I was just trying it out, and it... You know, it's just a piece, you know? It's a piece. Leave a comment on what you like me blowing speakers with the most. Hertz or songs? Let's go to about... That's like 4 hertz right there. It's right there. Nice excursion on it though. Let's do some songs again. 'Cause I kind of like doing that more. Give me a sec. Okay, now let's, okay, it's getting warm. I'm starting to smell it. Oh, there we go. And there's smoke going towards the camera. Oh, it still works, it's just locked up. You probably can't hear it. Oh my god, it's solid. I see what happened though. Let's just sit here and cook it. Oh, no, my radio ain't doing it. So, yeah. Let's just throw those over there. Turn the channel off. And turn these back on. There. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Hope you guys enjoyed my little speaker. It didn't do too bad. I feel like if it wouldn't have locked up, it probably would have been just fine. Now, give me a sec. I'm gonna take this thing apart. God, never mind. Look at how it crumbles. Well, they did pretty good on this. Here's the voice coil. It doesn't look too charred, actually. Wow. Look at that little, look at that shit. It's like see-through. What the hell? It's like my knife has no problem going through it. It's a little bit warm. So yeah, another one to add to my blown speaker collection. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I really enjoyed this, because I have another video coming out. Don't know when, but see ya. Have a great day. Forgot to say Happy Easter in the last video, I think. And the radio that goes to these, I'm going to be reviewing in the next video. So, see you there, and leave a like and subscribe.